What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have gotten a little bit of movement in the markets today, which is Tuesday, September 3rd. We are looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in this video, so hopefully you enjoy the coverage of the charts, even though we're starting out a bit red. However, we could see this coming. We definitely could. It's referred to as Rectember. We are in September. We historically have a bad month for September, but there's a lot to look forward to. Number one being on Bitcoin. You can see we are still in consolidation as of right now. We did have a bearish engulfing candle last week, but the shining light on the horizon is this right here. The possibility of a double golden cross on the weekly. This is a really big deal. I mean, first time it's ever happened on the weekly time frame in Bitcoin's history, literal history. Had the double death cross down here, which indicated apparently we're going up, and now we're getting the double golden cross. You'll love to see it. We're going to see how this actually pans out for future reference, because this is literal history in the making. We've never seen this. And considering we are in this absolute massive bullish pattern, I'm going to start thinking maybe something like this could possibly happen. Maybe something like that could happen, and we could see Bitcoin over the next coming months, year, century, I don't know, whatever the traders want to do. We could end up seeing $107,000 Bitcoin. It's a possibility based off your weekly time frame. Just in the near term, maybe a little bearish. All right, going down to your daily. Now, daily, this is where traders get frustrated a lot. Now, hear me out. What we saw yesterday on Labor Day was a bullish engulfing candle. What traders did today was spit on the graves of everyone. Because what in the world? Just giving it all back, huh? We're not really seeing follow through right now. The stock market is red. It's just not pleasant. And then you gotta zoom out a little bit. Look at these daily moving averages. We got the double death cross on the daily. A little bit downside could happen. If we cannot hold this level, sitting at what looks to be where we're sitting right now, finding support at 57.6, if we don't hold that, we could very soon see 55.6, and if that doesn't hold, 51.85 or 51,851. Could see all those happen, and in a very dark scenario, $49,000 could be coming into play. Just keep that in mind while you're thinking about Bitcoin, thinking about the market. Rectember is a real thing. Historically, very bad month. Then we have some market uncertainty. Hopefully on Friday, the jobs report will come out and we start to see a reversal, because maybe we get some news that the market likes. But yeah, we got, I think, 2 more weeks until the FOMC meeting, where the Fed is presumably going to make their first rate cut. And then maybe, who knows, we'd start seeing a little turnaround. We'll see. As of right this moment, double death cross on the daily, you got to lean a little bearish. Got to lean a little bit bearish. After 6 months straight of consolidation, more consolidation, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, let's zoom on out. Let's go over to Ethereum. Checking out Ethereum. Ethereum did something real bad. Ethereum actually did something really bad. So we have been in this megaphone pattern. The really bad thing, former support did not even have the strength to test it as resistance. And we had the weekly bearish engulfing candle. I'm going to say it right now, Ethereum struggle busing it. Big time struggle bus. Not a good look, Ethereum. Checking out your daily time frame, you had the bullish engulfing candle where we thought we were getting above resistance. Nope, not doing that. Even this green wasn't tested. We just fell below 2,500, and now it looks like 1887. That we're losing a supply line that we just started making. Oh boy. So if I personally was trading Ethereum right now, I'm not trying to be ultra bearish, okay? I'm really not trying to be. I'm just objectively looking at the market. I wouldn't even consider buying until we hit 1768, but then you're below your resistance. So more realistically, this little level down here sitting at 1425. Or you could do something even better, break back above 2500, back test it as support, and get moving to the upside. We're going to have to wait and see what the traders are up to, but Ethereum right now, not looking great in my opinion. Remember, never financial advice, just opinions. But if you ever want to jump in on some copy trades or anything, check out our sponsor, Jumpex, where in the description down below, you can find a link to that. And guess what? Great bonuses come with deposits, not to mention plenty of opportunities to long or short the market, depending on what you're feeling like, depending on how wild you want to get. However, if you don't have time to stare at the charts like I do, you can always join the copy trading. I cannot guarantee we're going to make profit together, but I can guarantee if I win, you win, and you're supporting the channel greatly just by throwing in $100, seeing what I can do with the trades. Currently speaking, if I go over to the copy trade portfolio right here, go trade, all of my copy traders are up on a short 13% on the day so far. Not bad. Getting back to the chart. And noted, we are shorting Solana. Anyways, Ethereum not looking so hot. We could very well see a 20 to 27% downside move. Now let's go ahead and check out Solana, where we are currently in a short with Solana. Currently, we're doing it because Solana did something real bad too. So you can see this consolidation that we have been playing around in ever since the last bull run. We have been in this very, very cute looking bull flag. We had a supply line that was recently broken. Unfortunately, it was recently broken. It is what it is. But you can see the bearish engulfing on the weekly. You can see we did have our bullish cross back here in February 5th. We had our bullish cross on the weekly, which then created this nice upswing. We've been consolidating ever since. Coming down to your daily. On your daily. Now, this is what got me, because Solana actually looked worse than both Bitcoin and Ethereum, because it did not get its bullish engulfing daily candle. Instead, all it did was it broke down from its newest supply line and it bearishly backtested. So far for 2 days, now we're heading down. So me personally, the way I am playing Solana is we look at this quite bearishly, and 117 is one of the targets. However, you're very close to support at 115. 115 is the target. Anywhere between 115 and 110, we could see a bounce. But that's what I'm seeing out of Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. It's looking a little rough in the markets right now. Looking a little rough. It's looking even more rough for Solana. If we break below 115 very quickly, we could see a fall as low as 78.96. We could catch some bids right around here at 92, but yeah, things are looking a little bit bearish out there. So let's hope the jobs report on Friday saves the day, saves some of these charts. But as of right now, leaning a little bearish. I'm just being very frank with you, leaning a little bearish. But with that, if you do join Jumpex, you join some of the copy trading, maybe you're going to get a little bit of my insights where you too could be up 15% on the day, taking advantage of this downturn. Or you can find a plethora of other altcoins that you could either short or long. Plenty of options. And yeah, other than that, hopefully you guys are having a great start to your week. Hopefully you had a fantastic weekend. I do go live on Twitch, so check out the description, join that. Also, Discord, great place where I end up posting chart setups whenever I see them, so you get updates way faster than here, and that is also on altcoins as well. So join the community. Other than that, hopefully you guys are doing well in your trades. Hopefully we're all making some money, even to the downside. And without further ado, keep your stop losses tight. I'll catch you in the next one.